Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Mixy Videos by Sam. Step into the whimsical world of romantic shabby chic decoration with our latest video. Join us as we uncover the beauty of vintage rustic charm and timeless elegance in shabby chic decor. In this enchanting exploration, we will guide you through a treasure trove of delightful ideas and creative inspirations to infuse your living spaces with a touch of nostalgic romance. Discover the art of blending weathered textures, pastel palettes, and distressed finishes to create a dreamy and inviting atmosphere. From effortlessly elegant furniture to delicate floral patterns and charming vintage accents, we will show you how to evoke the timeless allure of shabby chic decor throughout your home. Be prepared to immerse yourself in a world of soft lines, antique finds, and whimsical details that capture the essence of shabby chic style. We will share tips on mixing and matching delicate pieces, repurposing vintage treasures, and creating a cozy lived in ambience that feel both elegant and comforting. Whether you are looking to revamp your bedroom, living room, or even your outdoor spaces, this video will provide you with a wealth of inspiration to bring a touch of romantic shabby chic charm to your home. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let the enchanting world of shabby chic decoration sweep you off your feet. I hope you liked today's video. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.